everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. My reading timing changes every day. So I read the book in the morning while having my warm water, as I wanted to do a lot of things today. After having my tea, I created to-do list for the day. And then I had my breakfast. After having my breakfast, I started with my work. So first I started editing the videos. For the people who don't know that I am singer by profession, I have my music YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to my music channel as well. And on this channel I have uploaded Ganesha painting tutorial, so do check out that, and also Kokan vlog series as well. So then I started editing the videos for my music channel. And in the afternoon I was having online music and drawing classes. After that, I again started editing the videos. An organized space. And that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.